What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making a paper airplane video, 2 different types, and throwing it at a target and see how close it gets to the middle. So first, you're going to take this paper airplane, just take a piece of paper, I meant to say paper, just make a crease, and then unfold it, and then take a flap, bring it right to your crease line. Do the same thing for the other one. Then take your paper airplane and just fold it like this. And then go to the side and just bring these down all the way. Do it again to the exact same flap. Then flip it over and put it right here and then just crease it. And then do it again. And then you got your first paper airplane. Just bring up the flaps a little. And moving on to the next one. You want to take your paper and then fold it like a taco. Then you're going to unfold it. And then bring the flaps in, just like the other one. Remember, you can pause the video and rewind it so then you can do it yourself. And then you're going to take the flaps again and bring it in. Same for the other side. Then fold it like this, like a burrito or taco. And then put your finger somewhere and then only make it crease down from that side. So then it just keeps going normally like here, and then here it starts going down. Then flip it over and do the same thing to there. You can bend it a little and then you can find out where you did the other one and try to line it up the same way. And then you got another paper airplane. And let's throw it. For the next part, you're going to need a pencil. You don't need to use a permanent marker. I'm just doing it so you can see. Just make a circle, then another circle inside it, and then another circle. You're also going to need some tape. And let's get throwing. Now, I'm going to get a piece of tape. I just did. I put one up here already. So just put one down here. Doesn't need to be bended. And now let's get throwing with the paper airplanes. I am at the wall about to throw the first paper airplane that I made. 3, 2, 1. Close. And round 2. See if we can make it on the 5th try. Okay. Round 3. Close, but under the target. Round 4. Okay, that was just sad. And round 5. See if I can make it. Close. And now to the second one that I made, which looks like this. Same thing, just that this part goes like that, and here it goes like that. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Closest one so far. And it dented a little. It was straight. Oh, close. This one's in the lead. It's gotten the closest hits. Whoa. This is round 4. Oh no. Last round. So close. The first one was like barely touched it. So I'm gonna count it as this is the best plane to make out of both of those. Like and subscribe.